Hello folks, Richard Fontaine here. Now thank you for checking out my product review. Before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. That's what I said, $10,000 a month. Now this is an exceptional offer, folks, so I recommend that you grab it, and I have identified that product in the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can get the product from the second link in the description at any point during this video, and when you do, I will give you 5 exceptional bonuses for free. Bonus number 1 shows you how to build a Facebook group in any niche with up to 14,000 members and how to market to that Facebook group to make sales. Number 2 shows you how to create a recurring passive income online. And number 3 shows you how to act like a middleman on Fiverr. So when you get a high value gig, as an example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price and then deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference in the process. That's how you become a middleman. And number 4 shows you how to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. And besides that, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. And number 5 shows you the current trends in affiliate marketing and how to outsell other affiliate marketers, plus much, much more. This offer also includes a list of resource articles for your benefit. Now, let's get on with our review.
Remember 2022-2023, the best years for short-form videos. The golden era, the viral revolution that shook the internet. But now, all gone. And you might have missed the boat? Newbies, kids, grandpas, housewives, and CEOs alike, everyone jumped on the trend. The world was consumed with 15-second clips, from YouTube Shorts to TikTok to Instagram Reels. And what a time it was. Millions of views, traffic, subscribers, even commissions. But 2024 is flipping the script. AI killed the golden era of short-form videos, the viral videos, the fame, the traffic, but then entered AI, the game changer. Suddenly, the field wasn't level anymore. The competition spiked. Rich marketers, influencers, and big brands used AI to churn out videos. Hundreds, thousands of them every single day. You were no longer competing with just people. You were competing with machines, algorithms. It became harder and harder to stand out and get noticed. It became a numbers game, and numbers AI had us beat. The enemy isn't just AI. There's more beneath the surface. You're fighting unseen enemies. These tricky algorithms called shadow bans. They're like invisible walls blocking your videos from reaching the masses. Burnout's waiting around the corner. You're racing against the clock, creating videos one by one. It's a treadmill that's moving too fast. It's not sustainable. As an online marketer, time's your most precious asset. Juggling content creation, promotion, and business management, you're stretched too thin. Short-form videos demand your attention, but where's the time? But what if you can have AI work for you instead of against you? What if you could create hundreds of viral shorts reels with a single keyword in minutes, and then make them go viral and pull in millions of views, traffic, subscribers, commissions? You're no longer playing catch-up. Instead, you're leading the pack. You've got the power of AI in your hands, working for you, not against you. And all without spending hours creating videos one by one, even with the AI softwares, without writing scripts, recording, and editing, without exhausting yourself trying to keep up with the competition, without worrying about getting shadow banned or losing views, without begging for views and subscribers like a desperate marketer, and most importantly, without missing out on the next big trend. and today I'm going to show you how to tap into the power of AI and dominate every short-form video platform without breaking a sweat. Whether it's YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok, Facebook, LinkedIn, or Twitter, no matter where your audience is, you can be there, leading the pack and dominating the game. Hi, my name is Yogesh Agarwal, and I'm a computer geek who loves to solve complicated problems for marketers. And I am grateful to be able to help over 200,000 marketers succeed with my simple software solutions, which in turn has generated me and my company over $5 million in sales in just the last 5 years. Just months ago, I nearly said I quit. I was living in front of my computer creating shorts and reels nonstop, trading my life for views and commissions. And that is when I was already using other AI softwares. The workload was suffocating and outsourcing was draining my profits. Every day was the same, filled with content creation, but stripped of joy and passion. I found myself hating the very thing I desired, free traffic. This once exciting journey was turning into a nightmare. And then the results started to dwindle. Competition was racing ahead. I was at a crossroads, risk burnout or find a smarter way to win this game. I started researching, looking for a solution that would bring back my time, my sanity. No more endless video creation. No more daily idea brainstorming. I was desperate for a shortcut. Then one day I stumbled on a channel called Daily Facts Worth, thousands of shorts, all simple yet shockingly alike. Each one pulling in views from 10K to 100K to an unbelievable 1 million. The best part? They were knocking out 10-20 of these every single day. This was my eureka moment. I wondered, could I replicate this strategy? Could I take it a notch higher and create higher quality, more professional videos at an even faster rate? The software developer in me was intrigued. So me and my team decided to create a solution, a game changer, a monster. We embarked on the most challenging task our team had ever faced. The vision to leverage AI and create engaging short videos in minutes, all from a single keyword. And after tireless months of work, we cracked it. We pioneered a one-keyword technology. It comes up with unique video ideas for you, so you don't have to think of them. It creates powerful short-form video scripts that hook viewers in and keep them engaged. It creates eye-catching visuals to go with your videos that are sure to grab attention. It creates and add human-like voices for voiceovers, so you don't have to record anything. It creates engaging subtitles, add catchy, upbeat music and effects, and even watermark your videos to protect them from theft. It puts everything together seamlessly, making professional-looking shorts that are bound to go viral. And most importantly, it creates hundreds of videos in just minutes, so you don't have to spend hours on end creating them yourself. This isn't just about creating videos. This is about owning your niche, dominating the platform, and making an impact. With our secret viral accelerator strategy, you'll see your videos starting to gain views and go viral in a matter of hours. And the best part? You get to be first. You're not just catching up with your competitors anymore. You'll be ahead of them, miles ahead. Be the first to hop on any new trend, beat your competitors, and get millions of views before anyone else. This means you get to be one step ahead of the game, and your videos have a higher chance of going viral. And with more views comes more traffic, subscribers, and commissions for you. The power of AI at your fingertips. Get ready to take over the short-form video world. Introducing VidMonopoly, the ultimate AIP that creates hundreds of viral shorts and reels in just minutes, all at once. With a single keyword, make your competition obsolete and become the undisputed ruler of all short-form video platforms. And all it takes is just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Enter your keyword and let our AI engine come up with video ideas and scripts for you. Step 2. Choose from our library of eye-catching visuals, music, effects, and voiceovers to enhance your videos, or just use them as they are. Step 3. With just one click, our AI will create hundreds of videos for all top short-form video platforms: YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and more. It's that easy. No manual work, no outsourcing, just pure AI power at your fingertips. There's nothing like VidMonopoly on the market. It's truly a one-of-a-kind app that will take your video marketing to new heights. Here are some of the crazy benefits you'll receive with VidMonopoly. 1. Unleash the power of shorts. Unleash the power of short-form video on every platform and dominate effortlessly on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, etc. 2. Ride the trend, enjoy free traffic. Instagram and YouTube are pushing short-form videos. Ride the wave and enjoy free, organic traffic to your offers. 3. Say goodbye to content struggles. No more burnouts trying to brainstorm content ideas. Let VidMonopoly's AI do all the heavy lifting for you. 4. Save time, money, and effort. Ditch expensive video creation tools and complicated editing software. VidMonopoly has everything you need to create professional-looking videos in minutes. 5. Instant exposure, instant traffic. With VidMonopoly, create hundreds of videos in minutes and magnetize traffic to your site instant. 6. Stay ahead of the competition. Capitalize on the latest trends by creating hundreds of videos around popular topics. 7. User-friendly and simple. VidMonopoly is crafted for the struggling content creator. It's simple, user-friendly, and requires no technical skills. 8. Unlimited potential. Works in any niche, any offer. It's fully scalable to repeatable. 9. Enjoy free updates forever, ensuring VidMonopoly remains cutting edge. 10. Get 24/7 support and 100 uptime guaranteed from our always available team for any assistance needed. So what's the price? Imagine spending $1 to $5 per click with Facebook or Google Ads just to acquire a lead, or spending hours and hours trying to generate free traffic with little or no results. Now imagine that you can generate unlimited free traffic with just a few videos, a few minutes of your time, and a few dollars to invest in the setup. You can create as many videos as you want, and each video can drive thousands of people to your website from all over the world. Today you can get access to VidMonopoly for a low one-time price. So how can we afford to sell it for such a low one-time price? Because this is a limited time, one-time offer. After the launch, we will be turning the price into monthly subscription model. We need lots of resources to run this business, and we need to make sure we can continue to make it available for all of you. And this way, we will be able to support our operations more effectively, have enough resources for new features, and develop the platform further. Remember, the low one-time price will never be offered again. You will lose out big if you don't grab this deal now. Now, if you're skeptical regarding your investment with us, you should know that you're covered by our 100% money-back guarantee, which basically means that you can try it completely risk-free. Don't let his opportunity pass you by, or you will regret it later. VidMonopoly is the laziest, fastest, and easiest way to generate high-quality buyer traffic with minimum effort and no risk. If you don't take action now, you will miss out on being one of the first ones to dominate your market with this revolutionary AI technology. So don't let that happen to you. Don't regret getting the VidMonopoly at a higher price, or worse, don't regret it when it's off the market. Get your copy now. See you inside.
And oh yes, before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below. You will not be disappointed. And remember my 5 bonuses. They show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic, buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, gain reoccurring income online easily, earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system, and how to conduct your affiliate marketing business easily. Now, thank you for watching, and don't forget to purchase this product. Bye for now.